Guys, before we start this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Carica papaya. ¿Cómo estás? Pawpaw leaves. Here are they. So today we are going to talk about the benefits of giving your chicken pawpaw leaves. The health benefits that you can get after you have given your chicken the pawpaw leaves. First of all, a pawpaw, we have the pawpaw, the fruit, and we have the leaves, as you can see here. So what you are going to use today is the leaves of the Carica papaya. It sounds more like Spanish, but that is the genetic name for the pawpaw. So today we are going to talk about the benefits of pawpaw to your chicken. First of all, a pawpaw leaves, I will show you on how you can prepare it at the end of this video. So make sure you watch it up, this video up to the end, so that you can be able to know how you can be able to make your own pawpaw concoction, so that you can be able to give your chicken and your chicken can get these benefits that I'm going to give you. First of all, you must know that this pawpaw leaves, for us human beings, before you go to the chicken, this pawpaw, it can help to prevent someone getting malaria. This means if you are living in these areas like Kenya, these tropical areas whereby the mosquitoes are very prevalent, it can help you not to get that malaria from the mosquitoes. Because you know, one benefit of these pawpaw leaves is that it helps to prevent most diseases that are attacked by protozoas. So you have to use the pawpaw leaves. And one of the diseases in chicken, malaria is caused by a protozoa. And also in chicken we have one disease that is caused by a protozoa, is called coccidiosis. So if your chicken are attacked by coccidiosis, you'll have to use these pawpaw leaves. And what really is coccidiosis? Coccidiosis is one disease that attacks your chicken because when they are very young, or if they are lacking some nutrients and they get that disease of coccidiosis, whereby if they are young, if this is a chicken between the ages of day old up to 1 month old, when they get the coccidiosis, they start by removing a poop that is like chocolate like brown in color, and after that it will turn to red, like it will have some blood stain in it. And when the chicken has that red blood stain in the poop, that is a sign of coccidiosis. And also these are other signs of coccidiosis. Coccidiosis, you can have ruffled feathers, you can also have diarrhea, you can have growth, and also you can have ruffling, whereby the chicken try and cramp themselves together, and they can cause mortality by crampling themselves together and through suffocation. That is at an advanced stage. And the only bad part is that if your chicken are attacked by coccidiosis when they are young, it will inhibit its growth, and also it will inhibit the proper production of that chicken, because most of these chicks or chicken that have been attacked by the coccidiosis, when they grow up, they won't be able to produce the eggs optimally. For example, if a chicken has to produce like 250 eggs and it is attacked by coccidiosis when they are very young in stage, the chicken won't be able even up to produce up to like 200 eggs. That usually destroys the intestines of the chicken. If you are rearing your chicken, make sure they are not attacked by such diseases of coccidiosis. That is one of it. And the best thing you can do is by using these leaves of the pawpaw plant, giving them twice per week. So after your chicken have reached 2 weeks old, make sure you give them the pawpaw leaves, because the pawpaw leaves will try, and because it has those properties that will help to prevent the chicken from getting attacked by coccidiosis. That is one of the benefits of using pawpaw leaves on your farm. The second thing, it is a growth promoter. This comes in whereby, because you know, most chicken, when a chicken gets sick, for example, if a chicken gets sick, this means the chicken won't be able to eat. If it won't be able to eat, some parts of its body won't be able to develop well over that period that it will be sick. So if that happens to a chicken, that will continuously inhibit its growth up to the maturity age. It can be of age, but it hasn't attained required weight. For example, it can reach, like for the broilers can reach 42 days, and yet they haven't reached the optimum weight that they can be sold at. If it is for a broiler, it would have already eaten the feed that it should have taken to reach that period in age. So if you do that, if it attacks your chicken and you haven't done the correct things, you'll find out that it is affecting your chicken and it is affecting also your profit. So that is another thing. Another thing is that it increases egg production for your chicken. This means you can really achieve this, an increase in egg production in your chicken I will give you a formula, and this is how you'll do it. When your chicken reach 4 months old, make sure in a week you give it 2 times the pawpaw leaves concoction, and it will really help your chicken to achieve that faster way of producing the eggs on your farm, and you will be able to get lots of profit because it will be producing eggs consistently, and also it will alleviate stress for your birds. That is the better thing with also the pawpaw leaves. The pawpaw leaves is just a magic of its own. Another thing is that it improves the immune system of the chicken. This comes by because it is preventing other diseases from attacking your chicken, and also controlling any other kind of protozoa disease that tries to attack your chicken. You will be able to cut down on cost of the purchase of drugs, since this is only organically found, and it will be able to put a lot of money back into your pocket, because what you're doing here, you're only getting it from the farm, then you're grinding it, then you're getting a good thing out of it. Because also, you know, so as for today, many of the antibiotics, you find that some chicken become resistant to antibiotic drugs. And when a chicken becomes resistant to antibiotic drug, and that chicken, maybe later it is slaughtered, and that chicken is fed to a human being, also that human being becomes resistant to a certain antibiotic that has some similar components that was used in the treatment of the chicken, and also that is used in the treatment of a human being, because you know all these things are always almost the same. So that will also save a human life big time, and also it will also save on your money on the purchase of too much antibiotics on your farm, and also it will save you and make you have more profit, since you will not have too many mortalities on your farm, since you will have already prevented the disease caused by protozoa on your farm. So that is one of the things that you will have to do. Another benefit of Carica papaya is that you can try and extract from it something known as papain, which is a meat tenderizer, whereby if you have an old chicken, a very, very old chicken, you can extract that papain from it, and you can use it as a meat tenderizer, so that the meat of the chicken can be juicy and soft, so that it can't be so tough. So that is another benefit. That is not a benefit, that is only for the people that like cooking and munching the chicken. So that is another benefit of the Carica papaya. That one can be kept in the fridge and can be used later. profitable agribusiness ideas, please click up here. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Peace.